For Unit 1, Introduction to Microcontroller and ESP32. So these are the installation steps of Arduino IDE. First one is to install the Arduino IDE. First go to the official Arduino website at arduino.ccc. So choose the version compatibility with the your operating system such as Windows, Mac and Linux. Download the installer. The first one is Open Arduino IDE. Preference additional boards managers URLs. These are the links of the installations. Then the boards manager install ESP32 by Express if system. Then run an installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch the Arduino IDE. You can connect your Arduino or ESP32 board via USB and select the correct board and port from the tools menu. Now you are ready to write, compile and upload the scratch to your microcontroller. The step by steps installation of Arduino ESP32. So the first step is open a web browser and go to this link. Then click software download. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac and Linux. Click the download. You can choose either installer or zip version. Second one is second first one is the installation. This link open. Then the step two, run the installer from Windows. Double click the downloads.exe file. Then for Mac, open the .dmg file and drag Arduino to the application folder. The third one is the Linux. Extract the zip files and run the installer scripts. Okay. Click on OK. This is step 3. Step 3 follows on screen's instructions. Go to the tools board and boards manager. Search for ESP32. Install ESP32 by Express if system. Wait for installation to complete. Then the fourth step, select ESP32 board and port. To connect ESP32 to your computer, go to the tools board, select your board ESP example such as ESP32 dev model .esp32. Go to tools, then port, select the COM/USB port. Then the fifth step, to connect the board, connect to your Arduino or ESP32 board via USB cable. In the IDE, go to this tools board and select your board type. Then go to the tools and port and select the correct COM port.